Spell is the local badge of abracadabra money, a decentralized money DeFi stage that permits clients to stake, loan, and ranch yields, with Spell filling in as the administration and utility token to open different elements and advantages inside the environment. Assuming that you're searching for Spell token cost expectations gauge for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of Spell token Spell will go from here on out. We will dissect the previous costs of Spell token Spell and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, anticipating something so wonderful is totally unthinkable. Yet, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Spell token is $0.789 and Spell is right now positioned #452 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Spell token is 107,405,628,969 with a market cap of $84,795,553. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 1% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the Spell with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is additionally down. Spell token is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Spell is down to nearly 14.5% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have, however. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We anticipate future Spell token cost expectation Spell gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Spell token. We give our all to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Spell coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Spell token market cap, Spell token volume, and hardly any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our forecasts. Spell token value forecast rundown. The negative cost expectation for Spell token Spell in 2025 is $0.015. With a likely high of $0.018. There is potential for Spell token cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $0.0104 toward the finish of 2030. The typical extended cost for Spell token in 2040 is supposed to be $0.437, with possible fluctuations somewhere in the range of $0.4106 and $0.4941. As of the most recent update, Spell token is exchanging at around $0.0789. Long haul examination recommends that Spell token cost might actually flood to $0.7453 by 2050. Spell token value forecast 2024. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.0998. The Spell cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.011 with the typical worth of $0.01. Spell token value expectation 2025. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.015 in 2025. The Spell token cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.018 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.015 all through 2025. Spell value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least worth of $0.021 in 2026. The Spell token cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.025 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.021 all through 2026. Spell token Spell value forecast 2027. The cost of one Spell token is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.03 in 2027. The Spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.037 with the typical cost of $0.031 all through 2027. Spell token value forecast 2028. The cost of Spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.042 in 2028. The Spell token cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.052 with a typical cost of $0.043 all through 2028. Spell token value expectation 2029. Spell token cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.059 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.071 with the typical figure cost of $0.061. Spell token spell value expectation 2030. Spell token cost is figured to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.084 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the spell cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.0104 with the typical conjecture cost of $0.086. Spell token value figure 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2031 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.0119. The spell cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.0148 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0123. Spell token spell value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of spell, in 2032 the cost of spell token is determined to be at around a base worth of $0.0172. The spell token value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.0211 with the typical exchanging worth of $0.0178 in USD. Spell token value forecast 2033. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of spell token is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.024. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.0298 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.0247. Spell token value conjecture 2040. Inspecting verifiable execution gives setting. However, it is vital to perceive that previous presentation isn't demonstrative of future outcomes. According to the gauge and specialized examination, in 2040 the cost of spell token is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.4106. The spell cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.4941 with the typical worth of $0.437. Spell value conjecture for 2050. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be flighty. Looking at current market elements can offer experiences into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2050, the greatest cost of spell token is supposed to reach $0.7453, with a typical exchanging worth of $0.6737. The base cost is projected to be around $0.6482. Spell token value estimate facts. How high can spell token go? The typical cost of spell token spell could go to $0.01 before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will effortlessly come to the $0.043 mark. What is the spell token cost today? Today's spell token spell is exchanging at $0.0789 with a market cap of $84,795,553.